Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is one of the highly requested video. I've got DMs, I've got messages कि भैया accommodation पे video बनाई जाए. So if you are coming to France for your bachelor's, master's or maybe this program which is assistant d'anglais or English assistant just like me, or maybe any other program, and you are looking for accommodation in France, then keep watching because you are going to learn a few things here and there and how to go about it. So without any further ado, let's go house hunting! I am going to share which websites to go for, how to contact, how to go about it, how to write a message to your landlord or landlady, your future landlord or landlady. But first I'll suggest you figure out your needs as in where do you want to stay, if that is an apartment or a shared apartment, if that is a room or a shared room, if that is a school, university or lycée ki accommodation which is a hostel. So you have to figure these out once you know and you understand what you want, because if you are going to stay in an apartment that is going to cost more, usse niche aoge, then if you are going to stay in a room that is going to be like somewhat pocket friendly, and if you are going to stay in a hostel of a school or university ki accommodation, you are going to pay a lot less than any of the other options. Or maybe you can also go for sous-location or subletting in English, which I am doing. So once you have understood your needs, you have to understand your second category of needs, which is kitchen, Wi-Fi, balcony, laundry. अगर ये इनमें से एक या कोई भी ना मिले, we can look for a solution. So starting off with the research, I'm sure you can find plenty of websites over the internet where to look for house, how to look for the house in France or maybe room in France. But I am going to share my top 3 websites which I have marked them as favorite over the course of time. So first one is Le Bon Coin. I'm sure many of you already have heard of this. So first one is Le Bon Coin. Second is La Carte de Coloc. Third is Room Lala. First of all, understand that you may or may not get a reply until like the last or second last week of your departure, because people here don't rush things, so neither should you. So what I am going to do now is I'm going to open the website in my phone and I'm going to share the screen right here. So first we'll go, पहले तो internet on किया जाए, because पता नहीं मेरे फ़ोन में ये issue आने लग गया है, वाईफाई से connected होके भी connected नहीं होता, तो मुझे settings में जाके दोबारा connect करना पड़ता है. Okay, it's connected. Okay. First I'm writing Le Bon Coin, and then if you will open the site on your phone, this is how it will look. And then you have to choose a category. उस पे click करेंगे, then you have so many options. Emploi, véhicule, like if you want to rent a car or something like that, a bike, and then immobilier. Immobilier is the buildings. So let's go for, and you have other options also if you want to just check out. नीचे जाओगे और ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे, सर्विसेज, हाउसेज, फर्नीचर, सब मिलता है इन सब साइट्स पे. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू फिगर आउट व्हाट यू नीड. सो अभी वी विल गो टू, नॉर्मली मैंने जब भी इस पे रिसर्च करी, आई हैव ऑलवेज गॉन टू कोलोकाशन, विच इज लाइक शेयरिंग में रूम या अपार्टमेंट, एंड देन यू हैव टू फिक्स योर लोये. लोये इज रेंट. यू कैन गो अप टू 300, 400, 250, बट जितना कम में जाओगे उतने कम ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. सो समवॉट अराउंड 250, 300 के आसपास रखेंगे तो हमें ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. चलो लेट्स से 300. Then you have to write que cherchez what you are looking for exactly, like a room or a studio. So I'm going to write here une chambre, which means a room. If you can, then go for meuble, which has like all the furniture, so you don't need to look for anything. And then research. You have a list of options. इसमें बाकी चीज़ें भी आती है, लाइक फर्नीचर, और जो भी इनको कुछ सेल आउट भी करना होता है वो भी इसमें लिस्ट में आ जाता है. बट मेक श्योर वंस व्हेन यू आर गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द ऑप्शंस, मेक श्योर दैट द प्राइस दे हैव कोटेड इज मंथली प्राइस, बिकॉज एट टाइम्स सम लैंडलॉर्ड्स और लैंडलेडीज व्हाट दे डू इज दे विल कोट द वीकली प्राइस. तो वो देख के थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना कि कौन सा है, वीकली है या मंथली है. एंड वंस यू हैव फिगर्ड आउट व्हाट यू लाइक, यू हैव फाउंड योर मैच, so just click on that and then just look for the description, read the description, try to understand it deeply, and then look for कि उस accommodation में क्या क्या facilities provide हो रही है. like what is the type of accommodation, whether it's furnished or not, what is the area, and if the charges like charge compris, that means all the charges, electricity, water, gas, everything is included or not. If not, they're going to charge you extra for around 50 to 70 euros. तो ये सब चीज़ें भी देख लेना. So जहाँ पे charge compris लिखा है, that means सब कुछ उस rent के अंदर ही included है, and you don't have to worry for a thing. And then just read the description. उसमें mostly लैंडलॉर्ड या लैंडलेडी की डिस्क्रिप्शन होती है, हाउ यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट देम, और मे बी यू कैन, इफ देयर इज नॉट रिटन लाइक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, यू ऑलवेज हैव एन ऑप्शन to send a message, so you can click on that. Then you have to write your mail address, then the email address of the landlord or landlady which you are addressing, and then write your message. और वहाँ से जब रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट हो जाएगी, then you can, you know, contact, chat, talk to them, but make sure you don't share any credentials like card details. Don't do that. Sometimes they are fake. Make sure, और एक को नहीं, send a message for accommodation to many people, more than one, so that अगर एक से रिप्लाई आए तो ठीक है. मैंने भी पता नहीं अराउंड 30-40 लोगों को मैंने मैसेज भेजे थे. देन आई गॉट रिप्लाईज, बट आई गॉट अ पॉजिटिव रिप्लाई फ्रॉम दिस वन पर्सन विच इज द लेडी ऑफ द हाउस, who is not living here at the moment. They have gone to their friends, as I told you in the last video. That is how you search an accommodation, and the same goes for the other website, which is La Carte de Coloc. And usme I have noticed that if you share your phone number or anything like that, like your socials, that site automatically blocks that message, और वो message कभी पहुंचता ही नहीं है जहाँ पे you want to send. Just try to talk through that website only, and then उनको खुद ढूंढो बाकी socials पे, like Instagram, Facebook, इन सब पे ढूंढो, सब मिल जाते हैं. I have noticed so much, like people in France use Facebook Messenger so much more than Instagram or WhatsApp. So Facebook पे ढूंढो, you will be able to find your particular landlord or landlady. So वहाँ पे you can talk. That's how you look for an accommodation. Easy. And about payment, like if somebody is asking for like you have to pay before coming here, you have to pay a security or something like that, just say that वहाँ पे पहुँच के you will pay, not now. तो अगर कोई देखो जेन्युइन पर्सन होएगा, इफ अ जेन्युइन पर्सन वांट्स टू रेंट हिज और हर प्रॉपर्टी टू यू, तो दैट पर्सन विल अंडरस्टैंड. अगर कुछ फ्रॉडुलेंट मामला है तो वहीं पे समझ आ जाएगा कि भैया इतना ज़्यादा एम्फोसाइज क्यों कर रहा है ये पैसे पे या कर रही है पैसे पे. सो थोड़ा सा अपनी गट फीलिंग फॉलो करो, थोड़ा सा स्मार्टली बात करो, तो you will be able to find a good accommodation and a good landlord or landlady, which is so important, you have no idea. Once जब सारी चीजें मिल जाए, मैच भी हो जाए, लैंडलॉर्ड लैंडलेडी भी अच्छा लग रहा है या अच्छी लग रही है कि हाँ ठीक है, they are like good human being, उनसे थोड़ी बात करो, just try to understand even more. And normally if that person is genuine, he or she will not ask you anything more than your flight details, your copy of your passport, or maybe your arete de nominación, which is the appointment letter, or in case you are coming here for studies, maybe they'll ask for your admission letter. That's it. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मांगते ये. So इससे ज़्यादा कुछ ऐसी information देना भी नहीं, unless you have seen them in person, met them in person. So yeah. And as for me, you have seen my house like multiple times in some or the other video, and I have also made like a house hunting video, which I link it here. And actually this video is a part of two playlists actually, Assistance Anglais and South of France. So I link one of the playlists, and I've also made so many playlists, so you can watch other videos from my playlist. And coming to this accommodation where I'm living, so actually this is sous location, which is subletting. So there is this landlord who has rented this place to a couple, and that couple have rented a room in this apartment to me. But most of the time, like before lockdown, they used to be out most of the time working, so मेरे को जगह मिल जाती थी. Like I used to have my own space. मैं कभी लॉबी में बैठ गई, कभी किचन में चली गई, मतलब किचन में तो ऑब्वियसली खाना वाना बनाने के लिए. Then we have one lobby वाली balcony and have like my own personal balcony attached to my room. So this is like the perfect location, and I'm 300 euros per month, and you can actually pay less, a lot less than I am paying, if you go for the CAF, which I am going to talk about in the future videos. Which CAF is something through which you pay around like around 30 to 50% of your rent, and the rest you get it back. So उससे बहुत फ़ायदा हो जाता है, and that way you can pay a lot less than anybody. Like for now I am paying 300 euros per month, which is already a lot less than many of my colleagues who are living in Toulon, because Toulon is like in the south of France, and south of France is a typical tourist destination. So although this town is not very touristy, but the accommodation here can be a lot pricier. So I've got a good deal, I would say. And if I tell you, I actually got the calf for 1 month only, and उसके बाद कुछ glitch आ गया था, which I am going to share in the future videos, which I'll totally dedicate it to calf. I'm still going through a few glitches here and there about this calf. So once I have figured that out, I'll definitely make a video. All the assistants, they are like, इनके बीच में इतना hyped up और hot topic होता है about calf, because अगर किसी को मिल रहा है तो उसकी बहुत ज़बरदस्त saving हो जाती है, अगर किसी को नहीं मिल रहा है तो वो बस hand to mouth वाला हिसाब चल रहा होता है. I'll cover that topic in the future videos, so look out for that. So coming back to this apartment, so I found this place on this website called Room Lala. I know many people who are coming to France for studies or this program, they have this thing in mind so that they can save up a little, or maybe go out with friends, or travel a bit. So that was my agenda too, and luckily I got this place. And if you want to see like the whole house tour kind of a thing, I have also made a video dedicated to that also I'll link it here. So my roommate, she actually just asked for my arrêté de nomination, which is appointment letter, and the copy of my passport. That's it. And then I also said that once I'll come to Toulon, I'll have a look at this place, and if I like it, like the location and the transport feasibility, कितना दूर है, कितना ज़्यादा time लगेगा, और आसपास कोई market है या नहीं है. So I wanted to see all those things. So after once I came to Toulon, after 2 days I came to this place just to have a check कि मुझे अच्छी लगती है नहीं. When she showed me this place, Wi-Fi was amazing, speed इतनी ज़बरदस्त थी जिसकी हद नहीं. touchwood 10 दिनों के बाद जाके अब आया, so I don't want to lose it. Wi-Fi was amazing. There was a cat, and I had my own room with balcony and kitchen fully equipped. So it was very spacious. So it is like a house. तो ऐसा घुटा भी ऐसा feel नहीं होता that you are living out of a shoebox. So yeah, that was my needs, and my secondary needs were kitchen, balcony. लॉन्ड्री नहीं थी मेरी सेकेंडरी नीड. मेरे को ये था चलो ठीक है, मिल गई तो ठीक है, इफ नॉट आई विल फिगर इट आउट. बट लकीली वो भी है, सो आई डोंट हैव टू गो आउट फॉर एनीथिंग. If one of these things you cannot find it with your accommodation, mainly I've heard that laundry कभी included नहीं होता, because this is like a house तो इसमें सारी चीज़ें हैं. But if you are living in a room तो कभी हो सकता है you might not get the laundry वाला option. So I'll tell you, there are some laundry stations where you can go out and take all your गंदे clothes, and वहाँ पे पर किलो के हिसाब से चार्ज होता है. तो that is also fine, you can pay. I am not sure कि यहाँ पे कितना चार्ज है. Okay, so coming back to our sheeps, because in French there is a saying revenons à nos moutons, which means coming back to our business. So coming back to our sheeps, there are a few very slight chances that you can stay in France free of cost, or maybe some negligible cost, which is and this applies mainly to the assistants who are coming to France. First is stay at your PR's place or your colleague's place if they let you. PR is the professor referent, who is responsible for your working when you are here in France, working with them. So you can you will be in touch with them throughout. So if your PR lets you stay with her or him, you can stay at their place if you feel like, or maybe your colleague. Actually, if I give you an example, there is an assistant this year, 2019 to 20. She is posted in Paris, near Paris, not exactly Paris, and she's been living with her PR, and she has her own place, but instead of rent, she's giving English tuitions. So that is cool. This way you can save up a lot. And then you have Internat, which is the boarding school. Students who come from other parts of the city or country, or they get the college or lycée or university accommodation, and most of the time the meals are also included. So there you end up paying somewhat around 80 to 150 euros, which is not bad at all. So what you have to do is you just write a mail to your lycée, university or school, wherever you are associated, write a mail to them asking if they have a place for you so that you can stay there. And if you can find it, great. If not, what you can do is look for the nearby lycée or universities which are close to your place or maybe your workplace. Approach them, write a mail, explain your situation to them, and if they have a place, you can live at another university and then go to work to your university. So just figure out some ways. So these are like a few hacks and tricks where you can find how you can find accommodation in France, find a suitable place for you. And if in case I have missed out any of the thing, feel free to mention in the comment section below. And if you have any other questions, any other suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll definitely address that. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video and you found it useful, give a like and hit the subscribe button with the bell icon, because if you don't press the bell, you will not be notified ki video kab aayi hai kab nahi. So make sure you hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family, or maybe whosoever you think needs to watch this. Till then, you know what to do. Dream, hustle and explore. Bye bye.